Howdy folks, this is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics. I'm going to show you guys quickly how to reset your JBL Xtreme 3. You'll know you have an Xtreme 3 because it looks really cool like this, and the back of your charger port will have a Type-C connector in the back of it, and it will say Xtreme 3. This is kind of backwards for you guys, but you guys get the point. So the simplest way to reset this is, first things first, you would power your item on. Once your speaker is on, you're going to see that it's not in a pairing mode because it's been previously connected to another phone or a device. And in order to reset it, we're going to go ahead and hold the plus button and this play button together. And when we do that, you'll be able to hold this for a couple of seconds and you'll see that the speaker just powered off. So that's great news. That means we've reset the device. Now when we click the power button, you're going to see that's automatically going to go into Bluetooth mode, and that means that it's ready to be paired to a new device. So that's a simple way to reset your JBL Xtreme 3, and you can hear that really annoying beeping noise, and that's how you know for sure this item's ready to be paired. And in order to get this item paired, you're going to go ahead and go to your Bluetooth settings. Inside your Bluetooth settings, you're going to turn it on. So I just unfound that specific speaker. You're going to see it popped up right there. You're going to click Xtreme 3. That's going to pop in, and that's how you do that. Hope this video helped you guys out. You guys have a great day.